So this nigga Amar, I think he don't think I got it no more and shit like that, cause niggas ain't had shit for a while. Da da da. Yeah, I still rap. Yeah, all that and all that. Sound like though.
GotInstrumentals.com.
Yeah. Easy though. Fight about the win. It's me from the block, catch me in your living room. They see me in the box, that's when I'm living through the fucking tube. That's television, I fuck hella pigeons. I ain't gotta say much, I let the bezel get him. I let the metal kiss him. Now he braced up, she like playing with balls. I tell her face up, now triple threat. Whoa, this bitch the best. She taking straight face shots like she posed for stats. I let him hold a black. I guess it hypnotized him. He ain't giving it back. I tell Cyril find him. Now minimize them to get the big picture. Then I hit him with 6. That's how I crip niggas. I'm a chip getter, big dipper. You looking at a star. Make a wish, nigga. His rap's PG. He assists niggas. But mine's rated R. Cause I rip niggas. Rest in peace, that's extra grief. More dead bodies, bring extra sheets. This extra heat, cold going on. You got burnt, you should've blown your torch. You know me so, you a pillow nigga. You whip your head back and forth, you a willow nigga. I put 0 niggas behind those commas. I had niggas in your room like it's your mama. Yo climber, I stack pals. I'm on the bench with the hawk like I'm Stackhouse. I black out, Fane on the track. My swag splash, pain on the track. The game is back and I'm Triple H. I put hundreds on your head and won't hesitate. I blow haze to get high, then I meditate. I'm on a whole different level, I levitate. Shit. Yo, shit, man. These niggas is like, that shit is light though, man. Fight about the game comes soon. Yeah, this man, hottest thing out. We ain't even out yet. Look at my outfits. But real nigga though.